Hello internet friends, welcome back to my channel. Yep, I don't know what that was. Let's put it on. It does not really fit over this wig. I hope you all had a wonderful Halloween. Let me know what you went as, because I'm always excited to know. I wanted to share my costume with you because I'm really proud of it. I went as Scarlett O'Hara for Halloween from Gone with the Wind. If you haven't read the book or seen the movie, I do recommend it. It's probably one of my favorites, and that movie came out in 1939, and it is absolutely beautiful. The costume design, the set design is just amazing. Anyways, so I wanted to share the process of making my Halloween costume. Maybe you saw the photos on Instagram. I knew I wanted to go Scarlett O'Hara. I didn't know which look I wanted to do, but I actually found a dress that resembled hers. It was like a red velvet dress. I actually wore it when I went to go see Neil Sedaka, which was amazing. It was such a fun concert. Probably the best one I've ever been to, because I'm like, this is the first time I actually get to see someone that I listen to play live, so that was really exciting. That's where it began. I ordered that dress, which I found on Etsy. It shipped out from California, but it was made back in my city in the 1950s or 1960s, and it was tailored down. Like, there was no wiggle room in this dress. It was tailored down to fit this woman perfectly, and I just think it's cool that this dress was made like 50, 60 years ago in my town. A woman that was exactly my size wore it, and somehow it ended up all the way out in California, and now it's back. I just think it's really cool. You know, some people say they don't like wearing things that people have already worn, but I love a piece with history. So my initial plan for this was to sew on a bunch of feathers and the gems, and then I wanted to take it to my tailor and have her add on a train. But the issue with the train was I could not find a fabric to match, so I tried to order a swatch online, and that was taking like a week to get here. And I ordered a bunch of fabric that I thought would match, but it did not match at all. So I ended up just going to the fabric store, buying a piece of burgundy velvet fabric that matched close enough, and I'm like, I don't even have time to take this to the tailor, because at this point I had like a week left before the party. So I'm like, how am I gonna add a train? I didn't know how to do that. But what I actually did is I took a piece of fabric and I sewed it onto the bottom of the dress, and I pinned around the edges to give it kind of the circular effect. You know, I didn't want a square train, like a round train. It would have been okay if it matched. You wouldn't have really seen a seam, but because it didn't, it clashed. I'm like, well, I gotta cover this up. So I ended up sewing on a mix of sewing and fabric glue to the bottom of this train, and then worked their way up the dress. The feathers on the shoulders took me a really long time. I initially sewed a bunch on, like I spent one afternoon just sewing them all on, and then I did not like how they came out, so I had to rip them all out and start over. And those ones were actually done on my sewing machine for the most part. A few of them were hand sewed, but those are all sewn on. The feathers on the side were sewn on, and then the ones on the bottom are a mix of hand sewing, machine sewing, and gluing. And all the gems on the front were hand sewn by me. That took me hours. And the ones on the back, a lot of them were hand sewn, but then some of them I did end up gluing. It came out amazing. It came out really beautiful, at least I think it did. I actually got my hair done. And I went to get my hair done. I showed her the photo and I was like, can you do something like this? And she was kind of like, I'll try. And I said to her, anything you do is going to be better than what I can do, because I attempted and it was just horrible. I had no idea what to do. So I'm like, you know what, no pressure, but she did a really good job. I think it came out great. So that's it. That was my Halloween costume. I hope you guys liked it. I really wanted to share it with you all because I worked really hard on it. I'm excited. I think it came out really good. I'll see you all soon. Okay, bye.